Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be power saving mode, which you can see right over here, and when you tap on it, it will automatically enable itself. You can also hold it, which will take you to the settings and actually give you some modicum of information on what it's going to change, as some of those things that it's going to be changing are very freaking important. But Samsung decided to just kind of like not give that information anymore for no reason. So what I'm referring to, one of the changes that will be happening with this being enabled is the background network usage and syncing. These are the two that are the creme de la creme in terms of messing up your day. So what this entails is that when you enable your power saving mode and you stop using it, it will disable the Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using your phone to preserve battery life. Now, typically that wouldn't really matter all that much, but what it basically ends up happening is without network, it's not checking for updates. So for instance, mail fetching will be suspended. Any kind of notification from applications like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and just list goes on, basically won't be happening as long as you're not using the device. Now there is two options. It either will check for some kind of notifications and updates for them every so often, maybe like every 10-20 minutes or so, and then deliver them to you in bulk, or it just won't do it at all as long as you're not using the device. I have no way of knowing which one it is because Samsung just gives you the bare minimum in terms of information while you're going out of your way to figure it out what will be happening. So just be very wary of that. If that is something that's kind of gonna make or break this power saving mode for you, be very aware of this happening in the background. Now, additionally, we actually have a couple options in here as well, so we can do things like limit our CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10, and turn off 5 GHz. Now, these options are enabled by default when enabling power saving mode, but if some of those do interfere with the way you use your device, you can turn them off. Maybe you don't want the brightness to go down, you could turn that off. In any case, you can, like I showed you before, enable and disable the power saving mode from the toggles right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.